The corona wire is a thin wire made of refractory metals such as tungsten, molybdenum, tantalum, and titanium, sometimes coated with gold. It uses static electricity to coat the surface of the drum with a layer of positively charged ions. The defects related to a dirty corona wire are white lines on the page, always in the same position. A broken corona wire will cause totally blank pages. To clean the corona wire, slide the corona cleaner back and forth several times. The corona cleaner will remove most of the dirty and debris over the corona wire. After the cleaning, place the corona cleaner in the home position, or you'll have white lines on the printed pages. Check if the corona grid is clean, and remove all dirty. A dirty corona grid could give the same defects of a dirty corona wire. If the problem remains, or if there is not a corona wire cleaner, clean the corona wire with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. The isopropyl alcohol is a type of alcohol that leaves no residues. Slide the cotton swab over the entire wire. Be careful not to break this thin wire. In case of heavy buildup of toner along the wire, you can use ammonia or other chemicals. This is a metal wire, it will have no problems if you use harsh chemical. After the use of chemicals, clean the wire with isopropyl alcohol.